Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my dear students. See you again in the Operations Management course. In this video, I am going to discuss about another topic on strategy, namely operations strategy. Remember, in the other video, we have discussed about the hierarchy of strategy. The corporate strategy, the business strategy, and then the functional strategy. And one of those functional strategy is the operation strategy, about operation decisions, those 10 operation decisions, to create competitive advantage. So operation strategy therefore can be defined as a pattern of the operation decision, those 10 operation strategy, to create competitive advantage or to support business strategy, to support the company to compete against others. As in the previous video, a few examples of competitive advantage, the basis or any basis for the firm to compete include highest quality, lowest price, quickest delivery, most environmentally friendly products and or services, or perhaps halal certification. So operation strategy should refer to the business strategy or the competitive business strategy. Usually, we have two major generic business strategy. The first one, this is called cost leadership, leading our offering to our customer, leading our products or services because of its lowest price, because our production processes are able to deliver, to produce the products or services in its lowest cost, so that we will be able to sell, to offer our products and services at the lowest price offering. Another possible business strategy to compete against is using differentiation, how our products or services will be designed and then produced and then delivered to our producers so that it will be different from our competitors' products and or services. So we hope our offering, our product service will be number one, different. Hopefully, it will not only be different, but also better, or perhaps the best, superior product in the market. So that's the differentiation. So how can a company achieve the differentiation strategy? A company may use this differentiation strategy as a way of competing by innovative product or service design, designing product that is innovative, that is consistent with the customer value proposition, that is different from the competitors' offering. Another differentiation by offering broad product lines. The company is now able to deliver, to offer variety of products and or services, much broader than the competitors' offering. Another possibility for achieving differentiation by offering good, attractive, dependable after-sale services, different or maybe better than our competitor. That's an example of how differentiation can be achieved. Another strategy is called cost leadership, offering our products and our services at the lowest price. So we can achieve this, for instance, by being able to use our low overhead or indirect cost in our production. Yeah, remember in our previous video about productivity, yeah, that cost is part of the inputs. So if we are able to deliver, to produce with lowest cost, yeah, for the indirect overhead, and then hopefully we will be able to deliver, to sell our product at the lowest price. Another source for achieving, yeah, low cost product is by having best capacity utilization. Yeah? Another possible practice is by having best inventory management practices. So those, yeah, low overhead cost and then best capacity utilization, best inventory will lead to the lowest price. So another form of differentiation maybe is quick response. Yeah? So the firm's ability to deliver quick response as a strategy can be achieved using flexibility. Yeah? Ability to produce variety of product using flexible processes, flexible workers, flexible scale, and then reliability. Yeah? The good and the consistent quality of the production processes. And the last thing is the component of quickness or speedy response. That's all for this session. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.